Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to unbox this HyperTough 2.5 amp orbital hand sander. Picked up at Walmart. Came out to about 20 bucks or so. Open up the box here. First thing you can see is going to be the instructional manual. Inside there's also some sample sandpaper you can use. It's a 60, 80, 120 grit sandpaper. Next here is going to be the unit itself, the hand sander. Take this bag off. It looks to be all plastic, a little bit of the rubber grip on top there. Not too heavy, not too bad. There you can see it's going to be the dust bag and then the dust extension port, so you can connect like a vacuum or so. So let me take a look at that piece there. The dust extractor port, it is for 1 1/4 vacuum tube. Obviously you can just connect it there and then plug in your vacuum end to it. I'm not going to connect my vacuum to it at the moment. I'm just going to try out this little dust bag that comes with it. So here you can see I'm just going to line up the little hole there, slide it on, and give it a little twist to lock it in place. And then I got it set up. I got it plugged in. Match up the holes. I didn't do the best job there. I just wanted to kind of see how this works. You can see the on-off button there. Obviously it's not on properly, so here in a second I'll turn it off and fix it. Alright, now I'm just going to take it off and I'm going to get these holes lined up the proper way. So let me just set it on there. You can see the holes there are lined up. Now it doesn't spin crazy. So let me test this out here on my workbench, this homemade workbench I made. I already stained it, but I want it to be smooth, so let me just give it a few passes here. Fast forward it here. I sanded the whole bench top. Just give it one final pass here. Overall, it seems to work easy. Doesn't make that much of a mess. And more importantly, it gets the job done. And for 20 bucks, really can't beat it. So again, if you want to check this out, grabbed it from Walmart again for about 20 bucks. I did go on Amazon, picked up a bunch of sandpaper for about 10 bucks or so. So give Amazon a shot if you want some cheap sandpaper. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.